Hello everyone, my name is Julia and today I'm going to show you how to make things glow. I really love to draw glowing and shining things because I believe this effect makes my drawings more atmospheric. I think you know what I mean if you like walking in the street at night. Shining stars, there is a lot of light everywhere. It's a super beautiful. Firstly, I want to show you two pictures from my book, the cover and the page with the flower. I want to show you these pictures before and after using glowing effect. Please take a look on this picture. As you can see, I used glowing effect in three places here. It is the lamp, the bulb and the door. Now I am switching this effect off here and here, and you can see how picture changed. And for me now it looks not so interesting as before. Let's bring it back and let's switch it off again. On, off, on, off. And the next picture, here we need to do the same thing. We need to switch it off here and here. If be honest, I like how it looks without glowing effect, because I like combination of colors. I like the dark background, and I like the blue color of flower and red leaves and the white seeds. But of course atmospheric disappeared. Okay, let's switch it on again and let's switch it off. On, off. Okay, so as I promised before, now I'm going to show you how to make this effect. And for doing this we need to make a new layer here, and we need to select a color. I selected the yellow color, and now we need to draw the seeds here, 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 and here, 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 here. Then we need to make another layer. Now we have two layers, and now we are drawing on the second. Then we need to round all seeds this way, and after that we need to do the same things with these seeds. Okay, then we are clicking here, blur and Gaussian blur. There we are. You can change intensity of glowing, and I think it is pretty enough, and I'm clicking OK. That's all. As I said, as I promised, it's really fast and it's really easy. In conclusion, I have to say two obvious things. but I think these things can be helpful for beginners. The first thing, it's about contrast, the contrast between the colors. In example, if you want to make things glow, you need to have a dark background. Now, as you can see, I have the black background, and let's change it to white. And as you can see, it looks very bad. Let's bring it back. And the second thing to say, it's about shadows and lights. On this picture there are not a lot of shadows and lights, but on the previous picture you can see that there are a lot of shadows. And for my opinion, if you want your pictures look more spectacular and look much better than they are, you need to learn how to draw shadows. Okay, that's all. I hope you liked it, and I will be glad to see you in my next videos. Bye bye. Goodbye.